In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Cloudflare account password. We'll be walking through the password change process directly inside your Cloudflare account dashboard. This is useful if you want to improve your account security, update an older password, or simply switch to something easier for you to manage while still keeping your account protected. To begin, go to your Cloudflare account homepage and make sure you're signed in. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click that icon to open the account menu. From the drop-down menu, select Profile. This will take you into your personal account settings where Cloudflare stores your user and security preferences. After the profile page opens, look for the Access Management section and click on it. This area contains the settings related to how you sign in and protect your account. Next, click on Authentication. Inside the Authentication section, you'll find the login methods and security options tied to your account. From here, click on Password. This opens the password management page where you can update your current login credentials. Now, click on Change Password. Cloudflare will display the fields needed to complete the update. In the first field, enter your old password. This is required to confirm that you're the account owner and authorized to make the change. In the next field, type your new password. Try to choose a strong password that is unique and not reused on other websites. A good password is typically longer, hard to guess, and includes a mix of characters if required by the platform. After that, move to the Confirm New Password field and type the same new password again exactly as you entered it before. This step helps prevent typing mistakes. Once all three fields are filled in, click Save. Cloudflare will then process the update and apply your new password to the account. After saving, it's a good idea to remember your new password securely using a trusted password manager, especially if you use strong and complex credentials. Also, make sure the new password is entered correctly if you sign in again on other devices or browsers, since you may be asked to log in with the updated information. And that's it. You've successfully reset your Cloudflare account password through the profile and authentication settings.